In this video, I will show you how to write cent symbol in Microsoft Word. So insert, then symbol, more symbols, font select normal text, and here select this Latin one supplement. So you will get this cent symbol and yen and pound symbol. So select it and insert. So this is the way you can insert this symbol, and there is a shortcut for this cent. Control plus slash following by C, like this. Control slash and press C on your keyboard. Shortcut is Control plus slash following by C. So this is the shortcut. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.